One blackout can instantly expose how unprepared most homes really are. Welcome back to my channel as we explore the top 5 best 3,000-watt solar generator options built for reliable backup power, camping, and emergencies. Stay till the end to find the smartest pick for your needs, then check the links below to buy confidently. At number 5 is Jackery HomePower 3600 watt. Most backup power stations promise peace of mind until a real blackout pushes them beyond their limits and leaves essential appliances struggling to stay alive. That frustration disappears fast with a high-capacity portable power station built to handle demanding home emergencies without the noise and stress of traditional fuel generators. Featured in top 5 best 3,000-watt solar generator, the Jackery HomePower 3600 watt delivers serious output for heaters, refrigerators, dryers, and sump pumps while staying surprisingly compact for its class. The lightweight rolling design makes moving it around the house feel effortless compared to bulky competitors like other systems that often sacrifice portability for raw power. Another standout is the rapid charging speed, giving users a near full recharge in only a few hours through multiple charging methods. Long cycle life and advanced battery protection also add confidence during storms and long outages. It is especially ideal for homeowners, RV travelers, and families needing reliable emergency energy daily. Still, the premium price and expansion setup may feel excessive for casual weekend campers when silence, reliability, and true home backup matter. This machine changes expectations instantly. At number 4 is PECRON Portable 3600 watt. A single storm can turn an expensive smart home into a powerless box within minutes, and that is exactly when weak backup stations reveal their limits. Built for demanding situations instead of occasional phone charging, the PECRON Portable 3600 watt brings serious portable energy with enough strength to run refrigerators, air conditioners, power tools, and multiple essentials at once. That matters for families tired of choosing which appliance survives during outages. The huge LiFePO4 battery combined with ultra-fast 2-hour charging creates a smoother experience than many bulky solar generators that need half a day to recover. Another advantage is the UPS feature, which keeps sensitive electronics and medical devices protected during sudden power cuts. Compared with heavier competitors, this model feels more focused on practical output and charging flexibility rather than flashy extras. It is ideal for homeowners, RV travelers, workshop users, and emergency preparedness setups. The app monitoring works well, though accessory requirements for expansion and car charging may frustrate first-time buyers. When reliability becomes more valuable than convenience, this power station quietly earns attention. On number 3 is EcoVolt 3200 watt portables. Silence becomes priceless the moment a power outage hits and every loud fuel generator starts shaking the neighborhood through the night. That is where modern portable energy systems are changing expectations for homeowners and travelers searching through top 5 best 3,000-watt solar generator options. The EcoVolt 3200 watt portables focus on powerful output without the bulk and noise that usually comes with high-capacity backup stations. Running refrigerators, coffee makers' tools, and sensitive electronics at the same time feels surprisingly effortless thanks to the 3200-watt inverter and fast EPS response. One of its strongest advantages is charging speed, because waiting half a day for recovery during emergencies quickly becomes frustrating. Compared to larger EcoFlow-style systems, this unit feels lighter, quieter, and easier to move around an RV garage or campsite. The smart app controls and adjustable charging settings also add flexibility for daily energy management. It works especially well for campers, remote workers, and families preparing for blackouts. The lower battery capacity compared to premium expandable systems may limit extremely long outages, but for practical, everyday backup, this station delivers calm, dependable power when darkness suddenly takes over. At number 2 is VTOMAN FlashSpeed 3600 watt. The scariest part of a blackout is not the darkness itself, but realizing how quickly modern life stops working when power disappears without warning. That pressure is exactly why more homeowners and RV travelers are turning toward heavy-duty portable energy systems featured in the top 5 best 3,000-watt solar generator discussions. The VTOMAN FlashSpeed 3600 watt immediately stands out with its rapid 2-hour recharge time, removing one of the biggest frustrations people face during emergencies and off-grid trips. Its 3600-watt output handles refrigerators, routers, laptops, CPAP machines, and workshop tools without struggling under pressure. Another advantage is the smooth UPS backup that keeps sensitive electronics running during sudden outages, something cheaper power stations often fail to manage consistently. Compared with larger fuel generators or heavier expandable systems, this model feels easier to move thanks to integrated wheels and a practical pull handle. It is especially ideal for families preparing for storms, campers needing dependable off-grid power, and remote workers protecting essential devices. The weight still feels noticeable during transport, but the stability and charging performance make that compromise easier to accept once real power needs appear unexpectedly. Now moving to the last one is Jackery HomePower 3000. Power failures no longer feel like rare inconveniences when storms, heat waves, and grid problems can shut down a home without warning. That growing uncertainty is pushing more families toward portable backup systems featured in top 5 best 3,000-watt solar generator conversations, especially models capable of supporting daily life instead of just charging phones. The Jackery HomePower 3000 feels designed for exactly that purpose. Refrigerators, Wi-Fi routers, lights, security cameras, and even RV equipment continue running smoothly while the ultra-fast UPS response keeps sensitive devices protected during sudden outages. What makes this portable power station stand out is how compact it feels compared to similarly powerful units from brands, many of which become difficult to move once fully loaded with capacity. Fast recharging and versatile charging methods also reduce the anxiety of long blackout recovery times. It is ideal for homeowners, remote workers, RV travelers, and anyone building a serious emergency backup setup. The solar charging speed is slower than AC charging, and premium pricing may not fit casual users, but its quiet reliability quickly becomes hard to ignore once real emergencies arrive. The winner is Jackery HomePower 3000 because it combines strong 3600-watt performance, compact portability, fast charging, and dependable UPS backup in a cleaner, more practical design than most competitors. It powers essential home appliances quietly and efficiently while staying easier to move than larger systems. Compared to VTOMAN or PECRON, it feels more refined for everyday emergency backup, RV travel, and long-term reliability. Its balance of power, battery life, and convenience makes it the smartest overall investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best 3,000-watt solar generator. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.